One round each.
Pump it up, you game and get it on. With a name, I shit it cool, you game and get it on. 45 over your bank to get it on. Roll up like that stank and get it on. Like to fit it on, game to get it on. Hold up, she wanna work that, twerk that. Let me in, let me hurt that. So you gotta hurt back. Can't spin it out, boo, you gotta slurp that. Can't cut it after we done it with the hurt that. So we are responsible for bringing dirt back. We back, but she has the bar style and she throwing it up. She drink a little bit, no throwing it up. But I'm only dealing with freaks that wanna cut mine. If you agree and want to cut, can't go to get it played late night on BT.
This is Ryan, right?
While I bang your face in. With another bang and I call it a cliffhanger. Watch me bang on the string on his whole rips. Come on. You see the way I make a back seat from down bottom. The way I gotta give me my cash quick. Come on. Knock on, you better grab on the sun because I'm about to shake it up again and make a backflip. Come on. Now you be the soundtrack off. The women taking everything off each other. Got a mind. I'm running my collar. The King Kong, Bigfoot, gully with a scully bully. Your rap still ugly with the money running the trap. Now they giving me dap as far as I'm concerned. And that's working mama. Look how I got them. Now they ready to say, don't touch me now. You might burn yourself. Don't touch me now. You might burn yourself. Get out of my head. So go to water on them. Let's get it out of my head. So go to water on them. Let's get it out of my head. So go to water on them. Let's get it out of my head. So go to water on them. Here we go. Now you see the alcohol spilling and we got them hands in the ceiling. You know we only come to rattle the building and break it on down just a little once again. No one be holding the back so let me keep the dice rolling and keep it traditional. The way I keep my money falling while you slacking on your Mac and do we always keep it going. Right to the left, do it to death. No have to come through with a trickle and make the game fizzle and I pull out the skill and prepare for the cooking. Have a while I make them wonder when I'm gonna bring the hook at. God's ice grilling every time you get the look and got a while on overseas all the way back to go Brooklyn. Got it ready to smash cause we bring the message. I'm a son of a gun. Black mass of any trade under the sun. Talk sharp like a razor blade under the tongue. Clear my path and come get your captain hung. Trying to breathe like black or collapse your lung. Young chunk, you can choke off the web I spun. I done cleared them out from the threat I brung. You done heard about what set I'm from. My nigga, word of mouth, no rule of thumb. Y'all better bow down when the ruler come. I'm a real hood nigga, not a hoodlum. The way Thor put it down, be confused with some of y'all. Cats can't walk while chewing your going on. What a keyboard gotta do with the drumming on. School on stage like I'm doing a seminar. Professional type, I'm a test on my mic. Go to war, kid, I give you any weapon you like. Give you something to run from. Bust off the dum-dum, stop kid, the hot shit, you know where it come from. It's really worldwide phenomenon. And reinforcing that shit is my 9 to 5. And when I'm finished making you recognize, I'm getting at a couple civilized women that's trying to ride. You been waiting on the war to come off the all. You wanna get the bitches up off the wall. Just to see you smile and enjoy yourself. To keep you with help, this for all of y'all. I'm quick on the draw like black and raw. And I can't tell what y'all cats rap before. My name BG's and I'm back for more. See you get more tips than the corner store. With a portrait of my Alexa on the floor. While I'm making seats like a corn floor. Matter of fact, I'm back for the get home. Wait up, going on when I'm going for the first nigga that move, I'm gonna stir the floor. I'ma have y'all flex on the evening door.
Gunshots in the city, hustlers on the corner gon' get more busy. Gunshots, young stunner got caught up. Clock big numbers, too bad, got started. Stunt now, you gon' pay later. Big booty girl, that's a black man savior. Serving, hit the block and we purring. Roll real slow in the cut like a surgeon. Turn chick, smurf fat, give you work quick. Get caught, slip and get sick, is it worth it? Hell nah, with the jaw feel timeless. Got a good girl in my eyes, she flawless. Can't sleep, the streets ain't clean. Get around the store, I know you see it, post it. When my cousins getting toasted, got a big